Hello, welcome to DTech Pro. In this video, I am going to show how to install Visual Studio Code and Python extension. To download Visual Studio Code, go to code.visualstudio.com and then, click Download. Once you downloaded the VS Code, double-click the icon to install it. Click Next. Make sure you check these two boxes and continue. Click on Install button. That is it. You installed VS Code in your computer. Let's install Python extension for VS Code, to make our work easy. Go to the extensions page and search Python. Click on Install button.
From our next video, we will get started with Python.
If you have any doubt, feel free to comment. Please subscribe and share to your friends.